Welcome to TechEV.com channel, your solution providers. I am Ben, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do kinetic typography. First of all, create a new comp. Now before we start, let's create a background. Go to Effect and Presets, type ramp. I am just creating a background so that the typography look beautiful. Select ramp, extend it, change the colors as you like it. Now our background is ready. Let's focus on typography. Create a text layer and say now you have to make several text layers and align them before you start working on your typography. Now we have created a text layer. Let's align these text layers. While scaling up and down, if you press the shift key, it will scale up and down in proportions, which means that it will scale up and down in both axes. Since our text is aligned, let's bring it to the center. We will animate one layer only and then we'll copy the attributes to the other layer. You can choose any property on which you would like to animate your text. Put a keyframe here, go to 1 second in timeline and make it 100%. At 0 second, make your scale to 0. Now you'll see the text is animated on scale. To give it a more cool effect, go to the add property and let's add skew. And now you'll see that our text has kind of an angle when it scales up. Now select this animator one, press Ctrl plus C. It's important to drag your timeline to the 0 second. Select the other two layers and press Ctrl plus V. Now you see that all these layers have the same effect. Now adjust these layers. Drag these layers almost a half second above the point where the animation of one layer ends. Now go to the layer, new, and select a null object. What basically null object does is that it controls all other layers. Like a remote control all the functions of a remote controlled subject, it controls all the layers to whom it is parented. Now select all the layers, click this wingle icon, and as you can see it says parent to the null object. Now our null object control all these three layers. Go to the transform properties and scale up. You will see that as I scale the null object, I see that the text is scaled too. Now go to the 0 second timeline, put a keyframe on position and scale. Now as I see that at 1 second the animation stops, and after another half second the next animation starts. So put a keyframe here, and as soon the other animation starts, let's scale down a bit, position it at the center. Now as you can see that our text is animated, it is just a sample of Kinetic typography. It would be a better practice to pre-compose your every text alignment so that your project file won't get messy. To do that, select your all layers, right click and click pre-compose. And remember to click move all attributes into the new comp. Now open this comp. If you want any changes, double click your pre-comp and you will see the pre-comp. You can't see the text because the text is black and our pre-comp has a black background. Simply go to your main comp, choose your solid, press Ctrl plus C, come back here and press Ctrl plus V. Bring it down. Now if you want to make any changes, you can make the changes here. But before leaving this comp, remember to hide this layer. At this point, make the text disappear. Now in our main comp, we see that our text is animated. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and visit techievee.com to ask any questions if you have any queries.